Greenbacks were getting cocky for a while, though. Us pulling out, CSAT at their backs. You're up fucking nowhere.
What's the end goal, you know?
An end goal's one thing. Just not getting killed right now is fine by me.
Seems like Miller set up some sort of supply operation. You in, Kerry?
We've struck some fairly significant blows against the AAF. They've been weakened. We only have a small window of opportunity to exploit that fact, though, before they are reinforced. It's also become clear that we're running short on ammo and supplies. We've got the momentum, but we risk stretching ourselves too thin, gentlemen. Fortunately, an opportunity has presented itself. We've managed to re-establish communication with a contact that has ties to the local guerrillas. It's a small cell, part of a larger network of resistance on the Altis mainland. They call themselves the FIA. In the wake of the AAF attack, our contact goes by the name Nikos, set up an ammunition dump somewhere near LZ Connor. He's offering to, well, share it, in a manner of speaking. Now, we've agreed to link up just south of here, meet with him, secure some supplies, and RTB. Be on your guard. Luck.
Who fired first? Shit, gotta be Greenback. I mean, they were twitchy. Something to do with McKinnon? You know, you'd hear about that green on blue shit, but Christ, not for a good decade at least. I just can't see what the fuck they were thinking. Something's missing. I don't know.
What's your ETA? Over.
Less than a minute out, sir. Over.
All right, just get a move on. Kerry, over here. Take the pack. Spare set of MVGs in it, too. All right, everybody set? Let's go meet Miller's contact. Form diamond. Move 300 meters, front.
Who's this Nikos guy again?
Miller sent me a resistance contact. It's tied with a bigger cell on Altis.
Altis?
Yeah, I get the impression that it's somehow linked to his teammate here. This whole thing looks pretty fucking shady to me. be honest.
So, with respect, sir, where's Miller now?
Fuck knows, Corporal. Delta and Charlie move north. Coordinating a recon, I guess. But he's right. We do need supplies if we want to keep on kicking Greenback ass. Now stay sharp, keep moving. We don't have all night.
Understood.
Hold fire. At ease. Move up. Nikos? Took you long enough. We were just about to leave. What the hell? Holy shit, that's Connor!
One file.
Shit! We need to go! Now! Move! Falcon, this is Alpha. Do you copy?
Alpha, what the fuck was that?
It's Connor! Something blew the fuck up!
Damn it, Alpha, get moving. We need those supplies.
I'm way ahead of you. We're on it. Form line. Let's move! Move half a click. Southwest.
How the hell did they find out about the weapons?
I don't know, Kerry. Just keep moving.
Alpha, Connor's gone dark. Sounds like the AAF's moved in. They probably hit the abandoned towns nearby too. Kick those assholes out of there. Secure those supplies. Over.
We'll do our best, Falcon. Out. Kerry, Doc, on me. We're flanking left. The rest of you, flank right. Regroup when it's clear. Understood?
Copy.
Move 75 meters. Front. Move 75 meters. Front. Contact! Engage gun. 75 meters. Front. Go!
Area clear.
Shit, I don't see Nikos. Doc, check his driving. On it. No pulse, he's not breathing. Figures. Okay, let's keep moving. Form line. Falcon, you on us to secure. Over.
Good job. Proceed to LZ Connor immediately.
On the way, out. 100 meters, front. Move 100 meters, front. Contact! Kerry, engage that man! Rifleman, 75 meters, front! Attack that AP pole! Front! Lopez! Engage that machine gunner, southwest!
Target down! Target's down! Target down!
Move!
Cover and fire!
Okay, let's go! Kerry, fire at that soldier! Front!
Cover me!
Cover, go!
Target down!
On the move! Go, on cover!
Cover it! Go! Cover me!
Clear!
Move! On the move!
Christ, they're all fucking dead! Miller, Connor's secure, but we're too late. They butchered the resistance. Over.
What's the status of the supplies, Alpha?
It's hard to say who destroyed them, but they're sure as hell gone now. Over.
God damn it. All right, strike hard, Alpha. Make a point. Clear the area.
Understood. With pleasure. Out! All right, you heard it. Let's take it to them.
Wait, we're not falling back to Maxwell, sir?
Negative, Corporal. Miller wants us to make a stand. Let's go! Move 75 meters. Front. Get set to engage. Move 100 meters. Front. Contact! Kerry, engage that man! Southwest!
Man, 100 meters, front!
Nico, fire at that soldier! Front!
Scratch one! Soldier, 100 meters, front!
Bennett, Kerry, engage that machine gunner! Front!
He's down!
Kerry, attack that rifleman! Front!
Soldier, 75 meters, right up ahead!
Nico, attack that rifleman! Front! Bennett, Lopez, engage that man! Front!
Soldier, 100 meters, front!
Engaging target! Kerry, Nico, engage that man! West! Everett, fire at that soldier! Front!
Soldier, 100 meters, front!
Copy, I'm on him! Nico, Kerry, fire at that soldier! Front!
Man, 75 meters, front!
Scratch one! Nico, Kerry, fire at that soldier! Area clear. Kerry, sweep and clear the building.
On it!
75 meters front. Move 75 meters front. Bennett,
Contact, man! Engaging target! Target's down!
Area clear. Soldier! Area clear. All right, looks like we're clear. Falcon, objective complete. Orders? Falcon, do you read? Over.
Alpha, we're under heavy bombardment.